So I am just going to discuss about the process of solving exponential equations for this video. So here we have an exponential equation. 7 raised to x negative 5 is equal to 49. So upon solving this exponential equation, we need to make the bases on both sides of the exponential equations identical so that we will be able to apply the one-to-one property of exponential functions. So dapat parehas yung dalawang base natin. Kaya ang gagawin natin dito, we're just going to rewrite 49 as 7 squared. Dahil ang 7 squared ay equal sa 49. Dahil parehas na yung dalawang base natin on both sides of the exponential equation, 7 yung nasa left hand side at 7 din yung nasa right hand side, pwede na natin i-apply yung the one-to-one property of exponential functions. So sinasabi lang naman sa the one-to-one property of exponential functions na if the two bases on both sides of the exponential equations are identical, then we can make their exponents equal to each other. So nakikita ninyo yung example ng application of exponential function sa iba't ibang klase ng exponential equation. So mabalik tayo. So upon applying the one-to-one property of exponential functions in this line, we can make their exponents equal to each other. X negative 5 is equal to 2. So kung napapansin ninyo, when we applied the one-to-one property of exponential functions, this yield a linear equation. So naging linear equation na yung sinasagutan natin. So madali na lamang ito. So in general mathematics, a linear equation is an algebraic expression involving linear expressions. Kaya siya tinawag na linear equation dahil yung highest exponent sa equation ay 1, which is the degree of the linear equation. So, in order for us to isolate the independent variable x, we are going to transpose negative 5 into the right side of the equation. So, we are just going to put the negative 5 into the right side of the equation, and that will become positive 5 because of the existence of the addition property of equality. So upon taking the sum of 2 and 5, we have found out that the value of x is equal to 7, and that is the solution for this exponential equation. So since sinabi ko na yung 7, which is yung value ng x, ay solution doon sa exponential equation na given natin, we're just going to verify kung tama yung sagot natin. So firstly, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x, which is 7, na na-calculate natin doon sa given exponential equation natin. Kaya yung x doon ay papalitan natin ng 7. So 7 negative 5, yung difference nila ay equal sa 2. So 7 squared is equal to 49. So 49 is equal to 49. So kung napapansin ninyo, yung left hand side and yung right hand side ay nag-equal sa isa't isa. Kaya pwede natin sabihin na this is true. So x is equal to 7 is indeed the solution for this exponential equation.
ワンテンハンデタウザドミリオンミリオントリオンクワデ